All right, guys, a quick video here. Someone was asking me, I think a few persons have asked me about this, how I do my weekly subscription. I use MTN here for my weekly subscription. Aside using Wi-Fi, I use my MTN for this particular phone. So, what I do is I had to go to Play Store or maybe App Store, depending on your phone, either iOS or you're using Android. But I'm using Android for this now. So just go to your Play Store, your Google Play Store, and download this particular app here. This app here, it's called my MTN.ng. So go there to Play Store and download it. So once you download it, you go ahead and create an account. As you can see, I already have an account here. Just normal procedure. You follow the on-page prompts and you create your account within a minute or two. Very simple. So after doing that, now what I do is I buy weekly bundle for 2,000 naira. That is around a dollar plus. Oh yeah. So when I come to this interface here, I click on buy data. So look at that here. Click here that says buy data. Let me show you. Let me just mark it here now. So I'm going to click on that place that says buy data. So after clicking on that, I'm going to click on digital bundle. Digital bundle, that's this one here. I'll click on that digital bundles. So once I click on that, I'm going to click on weekly. You can see you have daily here and it's on daily, but I'm not subscribing for daily. I'm subscribing for weekly. So I'm going to click on that weekly. Once I click on that weekly, I'm going to click on buy now. You can see it's very easy. Click on buy now, and next thing you're going to click on pay with transfer. Sorry, I think I clicked on something else. So once I click on buy now, I'm going to click on pay with transfer, and it's going to generate a temporary account number where you're going to send the money. So this is it here, generated here now. So I'm going to copy the account number. I think that is this is Wema Bank, and the account name is Coral Pay. Coral Pay Next Gen PG, whatever. So, but I'm going to copy this now and then go to my bank app and send 2,000 naira to that very account. Okay, I just made a transfer of 2,000 naira from my bank app to that very account now. So I'm going to go back to the app. Once I'm back here on the app, I'm going to click on the yellow button that says I have sent the money. That's this yellow button. So I'm going to click on it, and then that is just it for now, and wait for it to sense. So it's going to credit my account, and subsequently they are going to give me 15 gigabytes of data. Let me refresh and see if it has come. It's going to take some time anyway, maybe a minute to 5 minutes, so that when I come here and refresh this page, the 15 gig, it's okay. You can see now it has already reflected, not even up to a minute. You can now see it has changed from 500 MB that it was before to 15.49 gigabytes. So invariably what they gave to me is 15 gigabytes. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.